Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to verify your Cash App account using your driver's license, you're in the right place. In this full tutorial for 2025, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Verifying your account is super important because it unlocks higher transaction limits, better security, and access to advanced features. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your phone. Open the app and log in to your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. That's usually a picture or your initials. This will take you to the settings menu. Next, look for the Account or Personal Info section. Here, you'll see an option for Verify Identity. Tap on that, and it might prompt you to choose your verification method. Select Driver's License as your ID type. Now, you'll need to upload a clear photo of your driver's license. Make sure the image is well lit, not blurry, and shows both sides if required. Cash App will guide you through this with on-screen instructions. After uploading, you'll have to take a selfie for facial verification. Position your face straight ahead in a well-lit area, and follow the app's prompts to capture the photo. Once submitted, Cash App will review your information. This usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on their verification process. If you run into any issues, double-check that your driver's license isn't expired and that all details match your account info. Also, ensure you're in a stable internet connection. And remember, never share your verification details with anyone. There you have it. You're all set to verify your Cash App with your driver's license. Once approved, you'll get a notification, and you'll be good to go. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.